Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to this channel. And today I would like to gist you about Baba Ijesha. Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo of an Ikeja Special Offences Court has fixed December 15 to rule on the admissibility of the confessional statement of Nollywood actor Olanrewaju James, who is facing allegation of defilement. Taiwo fixed date on Thursday after the prosecution and defense teams adopted the writing addresses on the trial within trial. Recall that during the court proceedings on November 19, the defense, led by Mr. Babatunde Ogala and Mr. Dada Awoshika, had objected to the confessional statement of James, alias Baba Ijesha, being admitted as evidence. The objection was predicated on the ground that the statement the Nollywood actor gave to the police was made under duress. Taiwo, during the November 19 proceedings, had granted their request for a trial within trial to determine the voluntariness of the statement. After the trial within trial, she had adjourned for the adoption of writing addresses. During Thursday's proceedings, Awoshika, while adopting his writing address, told the court that the defense had filed the response to that of the prosecution. He objected to the submission of the prosecution that the defendant was not tortured. Citing Section 35(1) of the Evidence Act, Awoshika argued that in criminal matters there are two burdens of proof, nothing that one can change and the other does not change. It said that the defendant had put forward facts before the court that substantiate the use of oppression. The counsel said it is for the court to look at the evidence by the defendant that he was handcuffed, beaten, and forced to sit on the ground. Does that not qualify as evidence of oppression? Citing Section 29(5) of the Evidence Act, Awoshika argued further, even from the prosecution's evidence, the defendant was sitting on the ground and shaking. One cannot make a statement under that condition. He urged the court to discountenance the submission of the prosecution. Responding, the lead state prosecutor, Mr. Yusuf Sule, contended that there was no evidence before the court that the defendant was oppressed while making his confessional statements. Sule said the defendant told the court that he was beaten before he was brought to the police station. This, he said, means it was a mob attack from which he was rescued. He noted that the defendant was trying to mislead the courts. Sule urged the court to uphold that the confessional statement of Baba Ijesha was voluntarily made following the adoption of the writing addresses. Taiwo ordered a witness summons to be issued for a prosecution witness, Mr. Brown Asuko, mandating him to appear in court at the next adjourned date. NAN reports that Baba Ijesha faces a 6-count charge bordering on the indecent treatment of a child, sexual assault, attempted sexual assault by penetration, and sexual assault by penetration. Well guys, there you have it. Court fixed December 15 to rule on the admissibility of the confessional statement of Nollywood actor Olanrewaju James, alias Baba Ijesha, who is facing allegations of defilement. Thank you all for listening to that, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.